Welcome everybody, it is Bobby, 2 Pops Breaks on a Super Bowl. Fucking cat, man. Sorry guys, knock my jacket down. We are breaking, it is Super Bowl Sunday, February the 9th. We are breaking Gold Rush NFL jerseys. It's a 2-box break. Last 2 from the case we started yesterday. We got 2 and 4. We did pick a name, get 3 by a random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, gave everybody a chance to trade. Just gonna double check one last time since it's so late. Making sure we just got nothing going down late there, folks. Alright, so here we go, guys. Alrighty, folks. Should be a nice break for us. Here we go. Pop, pop of our seal. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Bam. Well, not a monster for us there, guys. Gonna be the Jonathan Taylor. Well, that's gonna mean our last box should be our case hit, folks. A Beckett card on that, fellas. Bam! Gonna be Jonathan Taylor. Beckett sticker and hologram. Again, not a monster for us, guys, but a solid player. So far, had a fairly solid case. And guys, Beckett sticker and a card on that baby. Wow, no shit, man. Philly continues to freaking do well on his one spotter, man. Billy, gonna take that one. Alright, guys, this should be our big boy here. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, should be our case hit here. Bam! Gonna be a little bit of a disappointment case, guys. But not a bad hit there, folks. Going to be Derrick Henry. The sig sort of goes up into the stitch in there, though, guys. I do believe that was Joe Yolen, folks. Wow, man. Man, wasn't as good as our first case, guys, but we got a lot of mids out of it. Really only had a couple of low fillers. Gonna be Derrick Henry, Beckett Witness, hologram, another guy who was having an MVP type of season until late. He's a Baltimore jersey as well, guys, so I have no idea where the Baltimores are going right now. Bam. Yeah, I'm very sorry, everybody else. I really do appreciate you all helping us fill that, guys. Really do appreciate it. Well, guys, a little bit of a downer case, but we did have a bunch of mids in that. Gonna be the Olin. Well, that's gonna wrap up that one. GuysBreakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Join us at Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. Step on by and join us. Join the Facebook group as well if you have not, folks. Y'all have a wonderful night.